I do yearbooks, so I was having a lot of problems with my laptop trying to upload and download photos, and my friend of mine said, you need to get My Computer Works to fix it all up and make it fast. I've had experiences with people coming to my home and they're not there when they say they're going to be there, they are late, or I'm sitting around waiting, or they come in my home and they don't respect my house. I love the fact that My Computer Works is all done via internet. I don't have to have somebody come in my house when I'm not ready or it's not picked up or I have my kids are running around haywire. So I enjoy the idea that I call them up and my problem is fixed and it's all right there and I can watch them do it. And the first time I called My Computer Works, they had me go to my laptop and pull up a website, and they had me actually click on a blue circle that told me it was okay for them to come onto my server and onto my laptop, and then I picked my technician number. And then they kind of asked what I needed done, what I wanted done to my computer. I told them that I do yearbooks. I help create yearbooks, and I needed to be able to upload and download pictures at a fast pace. And then I told them I have 3 boys that play soccer, and I need to know where I need to be and when I need to be. So email for me it's a dire must. I have to be able to do my emails. So once they knew what I needed and wanted, they got onto my computer, downloaded certain programs that would help me in my everyday activities, and cleaned it up to make it run a lot faster. I love the idea that I can call them with any little problem. It could be anything as my son's iPod, which I think I know how to run fairly well, and I don't want to call with a stupid question, but they don't make me feel stupid in any way, shape, or form. They walk me through it if I don't know how to do it as I'm standing there watching them on my laptop. Or it could be something bigger, like I tried to do Christmas cards one year and I could not get certain graphics brought up, and I called them for that, and they walked me through to show me how to use a different program to make it go faster. I like the fact that My Computer Works is actually very private when it comes to being on my computer, because I have many photos doing yearbooks. I have photos of children at school and certain things that are for my eyes only. So I like the idea that they're going to not take my pictures or take what I have on there and use them for other purposes. I love using My Computer Works for my computer, so I don't have to get and drive it somewhere. Don't know who's working on it, what are they seeing on my hard drive, or what they're looking at. I love that when they're on my computer, I can sit there and watch and see what they're doing. And I learned a little. I watch some of the places that they go to and laugh and see the websites that they go on and clean things up with. Using My Computer Works has actually helped make my life a lot easier. Like I said, my boys play competitive soccer. I need to know when their schedules are and where I need to be, so I need my email. They also do lots of their homework on my computer, and I love the idea that I have things on my computer so they can't go where they really shouldn't be going, or pop-ups that should not be popping up that's not appropriate for my children. And again, doing yearbooks, it's made it a lot easier just by speed and it's very convenient. My Computer Works has a couple different programs that you can put on your computer to help regulate what your children do see and don't see, and websites they go to and not. And as a parent, that's very important these days. I don't need my teenager son popping up stuff on the computer that's not appropriate. So I like that they're able to help me and talk me through that and let me decide what it is I want to put on my computer. Before I signed on to My Computer Works, I always tried to fix the problem myself. I think I'm fairly technical when it comes to computers. I have my family that call me and ask me to fix their computers. And so I used to try and do it myself. But now, timing, when I want something done now, I don't have the time to sit there for 4 hours and spend on my computer to make it work and then do the job I needed my computer for. So it's so much nicer now to call the 1-800 number and they fix it for me, so then right away I can get my job done. I can say My Computer Works. Does yours?